What was your thoughts when you saw that video? That's my first question. Tell me down below. You sucked, or wow, I never really thought of it that way. Because that is something really that can happen to any one of us. With the three simple steps, that doesn't have to happen. They're not going to break through your doors. And that's what we're going to be covering. This is an introduction video to what's about to occur, and I'm asking everybody to hit that bell notification, hit the subscribe, because this is going to be good. For $150, you can make that door 400% stronger than what it is right now. Our goal is to give you the knowledge and give you the tools that are going to be needed to secure your own door. And if you're not comfortable with doing it yourself, at least now you know what needs to be done, and you can get yourself a contractor or a handyman to do this for you. Because we're going to take a single board door like you see here, and we're going to turn it into a double board door like that. Just doing that alone just doubled the strength. I'm not going to come in and bust a doorknob off like I just did and enter that house that easy. Not only do I got a doorknob issue, but now I also have a deadbolt issue. And with a couple little tricks to that deadbolt, you can pound on them like this, and this does occur. But by adding a plate like this, that eliminates it. And we're going to talk about the installation of all these things. Video number 2 is going to be this. What you see right here is 7 different latches. Let me rephrase that. Security latches that we can put on our home that are nice looking, but at least when we're home, maybe we're in the basement, maybe we're in the backyard, I don't have to worry about my home being invaded. This alone will take it from, maybe you added a deadbolt 200 times to at least 400 times stronger. And we're not done yet, because there's a couple other things that we can do to it as well and actually make that door virtually unbreakable to the point that it's going to take a vehicle and a battering ram to get through one of your doors.
I think your house is protected from a thief who cannot get in. Point made.
And that can all be done for $150. We don't need to go to the big box store and spend $1,000 and having somebody put in a new double board door. Don't do that. Okay? There's no need for that. The doors you have today will work, and they will be secure. Video number 3 really is going to be an overview of this. We're going to touch on the high points of these two and then also bring in the top 3 cameras. The top 3 cameras are actually going to be budget-friendly cameras. So you are going to learn how you can actually lock down your place like Fort Knox. So literally, the time somebody makes 1 foot into your property, you are notified. And at least at that point, let's just say all hell went out and we lost the power for a week because of some storm. They come to break into your home there because you were smart and you did to prevent a thief from breaking into your home. They're not coming in. And because you have simple little stickers like this, which will be links down below, in the corners of all your windows, they're not going to put their face near that glass because it says, "Smile, you're on camera." For a lousy $6, I guarantee you there ain't a thief in the world that's going to come up and stick his head in the window, not knowing if there's a camera in there or not, when he got a sticker on the window that says, "Smile, you're on camera." Unless he knows you personally, then that's a different ballgame. But you also got him. All right, folks. Also, the other reason you guys want to subscribe, and you're going to want to hit that like button and that bell notification. Giving away a complete keyless entry system for your side doors of your home, which is a top tier locking mechanism, which can be used for your garage, your side entry doors, make things a little bit easier. And you're coming up to go get something out of the garage, and of course we didn't unlock it, right? So now you can punch a code, come on in. Makes it really nice. This way I can actually put a code in here, give it to my plumber, my electrician. He can go through that door and the rest. And then when he leaves, the door locks behind him because I have it set to lock every, whatever, 30 seconds to a minute. And I know my home is locked when he leaves. Please share this video. Until next time, God bless you all. And please, most of all, be safe. And we'll see you next week. Bye now.